Okay, so I created an additional set of stairs. I had put in the 3D cursor here so they would extend from this point, but now I've got two sets of stairs. So the floor plans call for stairs on this side as well. So let's go to the front view, and I'm going to shift and make sure I've got both of these sets of stairs grabbed. And we're going to do a simple duplicate, which is simply Shift D on the keyboard, and the white line shows that I've now created a copy of the things that I had selected. And since I'm in a front view, all I need to do is push the arrow key to move over, and I don't have to worry about how I'm grabbing or anything along those lines. And just get it kind of where I want it, push enter, and there you go. Just using a simple duplicate to recreate something that I wanted in the scene again.